Good morning, everyone. I am Falguni Bakshi. Today I am telling about human brain. Human brain is a complex organ which controls thought, emotion, memory, touch, vision, breathing, hunger, appetite, body balance, temperature, etc. Longitudinally, it is divided into two parts: left hemisphere and right hemisphere. Human brain divided into three portions: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Forebrain comprises cerebrum, thalamus, and hypothalamus. And midbrain act as a bridge. It connects forebrain and hindbrain. Hindbrain comprises pons, medulla, and cerebellum. Brain is closed by cranium or skull. Okay, thank you very much, my lovely guys.